Let's get to it and check out the first car. Now this is a returning chassis from season 2. This is a Chevrolet S10.
When I seen the S10, I was like, damn, that's sweet, we're gonna get that one. We need that, because it was already gutted. It's a great chassis, it's light, you know, you can put the weight where you want. It took half the work out of gutting the car.
I think it'll work for a slow team.
Thank you. This is a perfect ride for us. We'll go ahead and just take it. Sold. That thing is super nice. Where we come from in Indiana, that truck would have been rusted to pieces. It wouldn't have had a straight body panel.
Okay, car number 2 is a G-body El Camino.
Damn, that mother stinks.
We knew something was dead. We were hoping it wasn't a human body. I like it. It's gangster. The Elko was super, super solid. The car is really, really a solid car, not rotted out.
Suspension in the back is conducive to doing some no-prep racing.
I just knew it was going to be not only a lot of work, but a lot of nasty work.
And this is an SN95 Ford Mustang.
That Mustang was actually very, very clean.
Everything is in it. The radiator's there. It had a good rear end.
The SN95 has a big wheel well, so you don't have to do anything to modify to fit a 28-10.5.
Tons of options for bolt-in suspension.
I'm a Mustang girl.
Those are Me Too cars. You know what a Me Too car is? You got a Mustang, it's like, yeah, I got a Mustang. Oh, me too, man. Oh, me too. Everybody's got a Mustang. It's like a belly button.
A 4th generation Firebird F-body.
This is a work chassis of all of them. We pray that thing we don't end up with it. They're very difficult. I mean, you can get them there, but it takes a pretty big wallet, and with the budget that we have at $10K, we would need half of that in the chassis to get it to work the way we meant it to.
I just want to remind everybody here, season 2 champions, won in an F-body.
That car's bad. You know, they got a good frontal area, not a lot of drag on that body. Wheelbase is good, center of gravity's good.
One of our no-prep cars is a Firebird, and it's pretty quick, so I know what we got to do to make it work.
You got it with that right there.
He knows we're cheating already.
No, we can't tell him. We tell this guy. Oh, yeah. So listen, there's some honeys right there for the If we get the Trans Am, the Firebird, what we're gonna do, cut the body off, buy a Mustang down the street, and slap the body right on the Mustang chassis. You never know.
All right, my opinion on all 4 of these cars. Number 1, I think the Mustang is gonna be the simplest and quickest to build. Number 2 is gonna be between the S10 and the El Camino. Now the El Camino has a factory 4-link style suspension, but it's gonna be more difficult than the Mustang. The S10 could be a slam dunk, but the problem is it's leaf spring, and unless you have experience with leaf spring, it could be a bad choice. And last is the Firebird. It's an F-body, it's torque arm, that can be a little bit difficult to dial in, but I was wrong last year. No matter what, car choice is crucial. There's $10,000 on the line. They have 10 days, and if they get the chassis that's wrong, it could put them over. Now it's time to see which team is gonna get which car.